Okay guys, so here is where almost all of the magic is happening, and today, the 5th of October, I'm going to do a honest pocket dip, and you see actually what I carry every day in my pockets. Some of the items are extra today because I just wanted to make more photos for Instagram or the YouTube channel or for the Facebook page. So in Bulgaria we still use a lot of cash, so I use this Trifold leather wallet from Wenger, so this is always in me. Also the keys for my car, because I need it every day. New addition, it's a flashlight from Olight. It's the i3E copper version, 120 lumens. It is very practical because I need light every day. Now Kershaw Emerson 7. I stonewashed the scales, did a little angle changing on the blade angle. My workhorse. When I go to my workshop I always carry this knife, Kershaw Black Horse 2, because it's my one of other workhorses as the name suggests. I use it like a champ, and it's a tank builded knife. After that, Leatherman Wingman. I use the pliers, I use the screwdrivers almost every day. I use it now to build a shelf here in my workshop. Here, nice addition to my everyday carry. I just bought this Paracord bead from eBay, and this is the Forest Berserk Forest X with a decorative edge, of course with a button up on. Works pretty well. After that I have a copper Scurvy Dog with forced patina. I love it. It's my almost everyday carry. Yeah, the camera to focus. Another one, the Mystic Mermaid, the new piece from Picaroon Tools. You can still order it at a lower price because it's a pre-order now, pre-sale. Of course with a button upper. Nice paracord from that. What else do I have? Oh yeah, this is the Captain. I will hammer this today for a customer in Germany, so this one is just because I need to hammer it today. I don't carry it every day. What else do I have? Some other things. No, I think that covers pretty well what I carry every day. Yeah, my watch is currently Sector Urban Expander. I carry it when I go somewhere where I may stretch the watch I carry, because otherwise I carry Timex Weekender or Daniel Wellington watch. So this is the things I carry. And of course, a bottle a day keeps the doctor away. I open with the Forest X. And I will go to work now. Perfect. Have a nice day guys, and expect a lot of more videos from me. Thanks, bye.